One app stopped, a city slowed, riders protested, and somewhere, machines moved closer to replacing them. This is not just about delivery riders. This is not just about Swiggy or Zomato. What you're watching is the pattern, one that has repeated across industries and countries. And when it completes a cycle, workers usually lose permanently. Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's story, I want to give a big thanks to our sponsor, Ion Infotech. They are not just any tech company, they are our digital partner here at Sutra Network, helping us bring you the content that often gets overlooked by the media but really matters. Ion Infotech is all about the digital future. They specialize in AI, app development, and yes, even game app development. They use their unique 4D model discovery, design, development, and deployment to ensure every project is a success. And in today's world, every business needs a strong digital presence. They are the ones who can help you move beyond traditional marketing and get your business visible on modern platforms like Gemini, ChatGPT, and all those new AI search and source hubs. So, if you are looking to bring your digital project to life and really stand out online, definitely check them out. And remember, by supporting them, you are supporting us. Hit the link in the description, mention Sutra Network, and you will get a little extra perk. To know more, visit ioninfotech.com. Now let's get back to the video. So what is actually happening? The Swiggy Zomato riders protests are widely described as a labor dispute, but that explanation is incomplete. In 2024 and 2025, India's gig economy entered a fragile phase. Thin margins, rising operating costs, regulatory uncertainty, and early automation pilots already in motion. In such environments, repeated disruption sends a very specific signal, not to politicians, but to capital and technology planners. Modern destabilization does not begin with pause, it begins with friction. Supply chains slow, service reliability drops, investor confidence weakens. India's delivery platforms are especially vulnerable. They employ millions, depend on scale, and affect daily urban life. When instability becomes routine, companies don't negotiate, they redesign. So, why these platforms matter? Swiggy and Zomato are not just apps, they are urban infrastructure. They power restaurants, they absorb migrant labor, they create daily income for millions. While such platforms weaken, expansion halts, incentives shrink, and riders feel the pain first, not last. Disruption rarely hurts capital immediately, it pressures labor first. So, what solutions have platforms offered? Primarily, short term stabilization, high peak hour payouts, temporary incentive boost, penalty waivers during strike periods, and assurance tied to existing social security registrations. These measures are designed to keep the system running, not to structurally reform it. Rider groups argue that bonuses don't solve income volatility, algorithmic opacity, safety risk, or job insecurity. And this unresolved gap is critical because it triggers the next phase. Ask a strategic question: who benefits from prolonged instability? Not riders, not restaurants, not consumers. The beneficiaries are automation vendors, AI logistics firms, dark kitchen consolidators, and capital waiting for distressed valuations. Chaos accelerates replacement. Under instability, businesses don't react emotionally, they react structurally. That's why platforms worldwide invest in AI route optimization, warehouse automation, predictive demand system, and limited autonomous delivery pilots. Automation here is not innovation, it is risk insurance. The hard truth. Machines do not strike, machines do not negotiate. Machines do not create political exposure, and once adopted, they permanently reduce human leverage. Here is the paradox. If instability continues, companies automate, jobs disappear, workers lose leverage. If automation accelerates, platforms survive, capital consolidates, and displaced workers are rarely reabsorbed. History is consistent on this. The Swiggy Zomato riders' protest must be seen not just as a labor issue, but as a strategic risk signal. When pressure persists, companies automate. When automation arrives, jobs vanish. If India fails to recognize this early, the cost will not be paid by corporations, but by workers and economy itself. Think beyond slogans, think strategically. Where many news channels are caught up in noise and agendas, Sutra Network stands firmly with facts and truth. We don't chase sensationalism, we show reality. If you believe in honest journalism, join us for truth, for change. And if you have a story that needs to reach the people, click the link below and share it with us. For more information, read our article on this. Link is mentioned in the description.